outside and I decided to do another Christmas DIY. I got this Mary sign from Dollar Tree. It's in the decor section. And then this right here, we had this for a long time. It's Rust-Oleum Specialty Metallic Bright Reflective Finishes. We're gonna spray this on here to make it look shiny and silver. You can also get the other one they had in Dollar Tree. They had another thing different than this one, and you can spray paint that gold and put them together. I think that would look really nice and a great pair to go with your house. Get the sign bag. Let's see what we got. Oh, it came out gold. Okay, that's even better. Light coat. I think I'm gonna go with about 2 or 3 coats. I'm gonna let that dry, then I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. I'll show you the finished product after I finish. By the way, I forgot to show you the fall decor of the house. We got this Bless Our Flag sign, Bless Our Family sign, welcome sign. We have these lights to light up your path when you walk towards the door. We have this welcome sign. It changes out, this little part right here changes out for every holiday. We have a different one for every holiday. Last holiday it was a jack-o'-lantern. We have this give thanks sign. That. Okay, this is the finished product after I sprayed it with the gold metallic paint. I don't know why I said silver when it's gold. Oops. Mary. That's how it looks. It's gold. Next thing I have is this lantern I got from Dollar Tree. It's called a LED lantern. I'm going to spray paint it. I'm going to spray paint it gold as well. I'm going a little crazy, but that's okay. First, I'm going to snap this tag off, like so. Just hit the paint. Like that. I'll show you the finished product after I'm done. These are the 2 DIYs that I did at home. Easy hats you can do by yourself at home. This went from a black rustic color to a shiny gold color. This over here went from a dull brown to a shiny gold color as well. If you can see the shine. That's it for this video. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below what else DIYs you think I should try or you have tried and want me to try. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.